Did you call me bitch?
Yeah.
Why?
Your mom looks like a dog.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad. No, you're not getting dinner.
What face you make when you see a girl walk in the house with a stained booty?
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
Pa. Thanks, Jasper.
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
Excuse me. I need to take a shower. Thank you.
Am I walking you or you walking me?
Who's there? It is bedtime. Let's go.
Come on.
You ready to go take your bath?
It's having a temper tantrum and I don't know why. What's wrong?
Good job, whisper. Whisper. Good job.